Hi, I'm Margaret Lewin and welcome to Margaret Lewin Quilting. Today we are going to be working on block 30 of Moda Fabrics 2020 Breast Cancer Awareness Quilt, and this is the very last block to our quilt. So after today we'll be starting to put it together, which is really getting exciting. So this is our final block. This is going to be a pretty simple block to put together. What we're going to do is start by putting this together. How I'll do that is sew these two pieces, this one and this one, to this center piece. Then I will make these strips. After I make those strips, I'm going to put those all together, and then what I will do is I absolutely will be squaring it up. The instructions have given us squaring up dimensions, so we will take advantage of those. As I said, this is block 30 and it's called Mother Hen. So all of the instructions are quite easy to follow. I'm going to get this part put together and show you how I'm going to square that up, and then we will continue with the rest of it. So I'll be back. I have my two blocks done, 1, 2. And now I'm going to square it up, and according to the directions we square it up at 6.5. So I know that these blocks all started, these corner blocks started out at 1 inch. So that should mean that I should be able to line up the 3/4 inch mark right here, and I should be able to square it up from there. So there's my half. Here is my 3/4 right there. I'm going to keep this line going straight across so that it's all at 3/4, and that will help me be able to square up the rest of this. So I'm just going to go up one side, and I'm just cleaning it up realistically because look, there's not much there. Then I'm going to rotate it, and now I'm going to use the 6.5 inch mark because I know that this is a 6.5 inch square block. And again, I'm right at the 3/4 inch mark right there, so I'm good. And I'm just going to trim it up again. And that's all there is to it. I'm going to go ahead and do the pink one off camera and continue putting the quilt. And this is the conclusion of block number 30, which is called Mother Hen. And I did exactly as the directions had said. I put these 3 pieces together. Then I added the cornerstones to this, and then I added the cornerstones to that and attached all of these together. Then I came back and squared it up and showed you that. The next thing I did was to take this piece and add this, and then the cornerstones or the end pieces to these and this. And then I built my border. And then what I did when I built the border was I attached one side and then the other. All right, and pressed all of my seams open once again. Oh, I got one that flipped there, but no problems with this block at all. It went together extremely smoothly and easily, and we are officially done with our last block to the 2020 Moda Fabrics Breast Cancer Awareness Quilt. And I'm excited that I've got 2 of them done. So starting tomorrow, I will be able to release the finishing instructions, and I will start putting mine together, which I'm getting pretty excited about. So I will see you tomorrow with the finishing instructions, and we'll start putting our quilts together. I'll see you then. Thank you so much for joining me. If you like these videos, please do give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please do consider subscribing to my channel, and I will see you again tomorrow. Thanks, everybody. Bye.